Now the United States government targeting me is sending a military helicopter over my home. You see them? And it's very loud. And I'm getting ready to walk that way, so they're over here targeting me. United States government, they got Chamblee police sitting over there and Lowe's Food in the parking lot waiting for me to cross the street. There's one right there. There's another one over there. And then the polluter, the smoker polluter. United States government. You hear the helicopter? Nope, they told them to circle the area. So they're doing loops over here. That's them casing me. That's their sign of intimidation. And they got this person targeting me, and they got security driving through the parking lot. So they told her to pull over here, smoke, blow out a cigarette in a matter of 2 seconds. That's what she did to pollute the area, and now she's driving off. Look at her. United States government. I'll send her license plate to my pastors. So I like to keep them updated on the United States government counterintelligence unit targeting and harassing civilians for no reason at all.